Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a sliding block puzzle. These engaging puzzles challenge your spatial reasoning and planning skills. Your main goal is to maneuver one special, larger block, often a 2x2 or 1x2 piece, to a designated exit on the game board. All other blocks are obstacles that you must slide around to clear a path for your target piece. It's a fun and brain-teasing activity for all ages. Understanding how blocks move is fundamental to solving these puzzles. Each block, whether it's a 1x1, 1x2, or 2x2 piece, can only slide in a straight line, either up and down or left and right. They cannot move diagonally, nor can they be lifted from the board. You must find an open space for a block to slide into, which often means moving other pieces first to create that opening. This constraint is key to the puzzle's challenge. To become proficient, employ some effective strategies. Begin by planning your moves, looking several steps ahead to visualize the board's state. Your ultimate goal is to get the main block to the exit, so always keep that in mind. Often, you'll need to clear a bottleneck of smaller blocks that are directly obstructing the path of your target piece. Sometimes, moving a block away from the exit temporarily can create space for a more crucial move. Like any skill, practice is essential for mastering sliding block puzzles. Begin with easier puzzles, perhaps those with fewer blocks or a more straightforward path, to solidify your understanding of the mechanics. As you gain confidence, challenge yourself with more complex layouts and a greater number of pieces. Don't be discouraged by failed attempts. Instead, analyze where you went wrong and what alternative moves you could have made. Consistent practice will significantly improve your problem-solving abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.